So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. And in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of webcam lag when you are using your webcam in low light on OBS. Now, for example, this is my video capture device. Just simply right click over there and go to this option of properties. Now select the device and here you'll see this option of configure video. Just simply click on this option. Now make sure that auto contrast or nothing is set to be auto. You can just simply check this white balance to be auto, and under this camera control make sure that the exposure is not set on auto. Uncheck it and adjust the value until you meet the criteria, until the camera stops lagging. Now just simply enable this option of low light compensation as well, and here adjust the gamma accordingly until you meet the criteria, until your video looks smoother. Now once you tweak these 2 or 3 settings, just simply hit apply and you'll notice that the lag will vanish from your webcam. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.